Hello all, I am Deepak and this is my wife Rupa. So we both work in IT profession. Before choosing LH as our interior designer, we went to multiple vendors. So we have a vision in our mind that our house need to be look in a particular way, and it has to be both functional and also aesthetically beautiful. So we put forward our ideas to multiple vendors, and LH is the one who showed us the reality in a good manner. So that's why we went to LH.
So basically, when we have that vision, like how our house should look, so we went to 2 to 3 other interiors as well. But whatever the vision and what requirement what we have, LH quoted it very well and then made it with simple, like, yeah, this can be possible and this we can do and everything. So our designers also helped us a lot in doing that, and whatever the output we got here, so everything, we're so happy that we went to LH and we decided to go to LH for that.
And also, after taking the design and other things, we visited their latest project which are nearby, and so that convinced us more to choose LH.
So my favorite part is the living. So basically, when you enter the house itself, you can just feel that aesthetic way, and you can also feel calmness when you enter the living. And when you sit on the sofa, right, you can just see the TV unit. It's so, there are no bright colors, and it was very well finished, beautiful finish we had. So that's my living is my favorite.
And yeah, these beautiful arches that you see on the back of the wall, and they are beautifully designed, and the dining area where the simple wall can be looked that much beautiful. So it is beautifully designed and executed by the LH team. And everyone are favorite of the kitchen majorly. So how they utilize the small space into a beautiful and more accessible kitchen is what my favorite part is.
Yeah, that's true. So kitchen, like basically our kitchen, we had a compact space. So we thought, like, we went to the designer, like we want more storage, and we want it should be accessible for everything. We want everything in basically that small compact kitchen. But they designed it very beautifully. So we had everything the requirements what we had for. So it is so beautifully, even the finishing for the each, the laminate, the cupboards, everything, it's so good. And it's beautifully done. I'm so happy with the kitchen, how it came out.
Yes, puja. So we went for the floor to ceiling height puja. So after our thoughts, we thought it will look bigger, bulkier, and not pleasing. But after the execution, where execution team, especially sir, advised us to reduce the length, and I mean, even after the design phase, so the execution phase is also very important. So that execution phase, like, he made some of more inputs as per the lighting, as per the conditions of the house, which made puja look more elegant.
Yeah, just want to add one more point for Isaac sir. So basically, when we came for execution, the lengths and widths, he just reduced a bit, because he told her, no, this will be enough, no need to have that much length and all. We are so happy that he have done that, because when when you're doing the requirement, when you have that, you will be keeping you want more space, you want more storage, so you will be adding a lot of lengths and widths. But he came and he just told, no, this is fine, and he have reduced a little bit. Because of that, our house looking bigger, and we had a lot of space now. Even we are good with the cupboards, and we are good with the open space. So I just want to shout out to him, like, thank you so much sir, like you have done very much help for us for doing this. So yeah.
Also want to add about the master bedroom, where the bedroom is designed with the mirrors and also the wallpaper in between the beadings, and it came out beautifully with the lighting and other aspects.
Yeah.
From the design part onwards, when we put for our designs, and we had some visions in our mind, so they have taken all the inputs from us, and they came up with the best possible solution as per the layout. And after the design part also, the execution team came up with the exact measurements, and also the site supervisor also helped us in day-to-day updates, providing the images, the videos, everything, and it helped us to check whatever is the any changes that are required in the future, what is not looking good. And the best part about the LH interiors which I found is, see, do mistakes do happen, but how fast they are rectifying it is the thing. So even the changes that we are made, so let us say we initially designed in other way, but after execution we thought no, it must be like this, then immediately they changed it in a within a day or span. They have can able to do the things. So that's what I liked in LH.
Yeah, so basically, I just want to add one more point here. So basically, when we started with LH, right, like after the designing phase and after once execution started, as my husband said, like the supervisor every day he used to give day-to-day updates. So we are not near to the place where we live, so we are just a bit far from here. But every day he used to be here and he used to send us the updates. So basically, as a IT professionals, you can't daily come and see the site and where we are and everything, but he used to send us the updates. And even in the execution, when we are doing small changes, when we used to ask them, they used to accommodate. Nowhere they told no, we can't do this should be happening, no, we didn't get any answer like that. Everything they have accommodated, and everything they have suggested are good things. Like for example, a ceiling, small suggestions they have given, which were good for us as well. So we are so happy for the suggestions as well. Even everyone, not only him, not the supervisor, the carpenters, the electricians, everyone who worked in the site, right? So they are very well mannered, professional. Like we are so good with that. Basically, no need to have the chats different way. We are so happy with that professionalism which they have. So recently, when we do this housewarming, everything, my family, the friends, everyone who came, right? Everyone so, the feeling when they come into the house, the beautiful aesthetic way they have finished everything, the finishing, basically the finishing, they're very happy to see that the finishing is so good. Me and my husband were so happy to listen to all those compliments that we got for the house. And other flat members are visiting our home, and they're also like they're taking the suggestions, and they're taking where you have done the interiors and all these things. So we are so proud for that, because everyone is so happy and complimenting these things. Like, so yeah, we are so happy that we went to LH.
So after the interiors are done, I mean, we are the initial person who get done interiors in this community. So most of the people are referring to our flat to check on the interiors and to check on the planning part. So most of them are awestruck by the finishing that they have done and within the budget. So that helped myself, made me proud, and also helped me to recommend others with the LH.